Oh my god, YouTube, what is good? It's Leon from Sneaker Clinic. Today, we got a different cleaning tutorial. I'm gonna jump straight to it. Check this out. This is Delvaux. This is like an expensive, I don't know. Okay, let's put this dust bag away. This is the shoe that I'm gonna clean today, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I'm gonna do it. Wow, this actually smells really nice. Authentic Paris leather. Wow, it's got a little cute microphone, a little pouch there. That is cute. No, it's actually a lock. I don't want to damage this bag, but this is actually the same customer that gave me a lot of her shoes. If you haven't seen the cleaning tutorial, I think it was like the Off-White Vapor Max. Yes, I cleaned that one and a bunch of other shoes like the Gucci ones. But this is totally unexpected. She's cool, right? She helped me out with a lot of referrals. And I'm like, you know what? You give me this bag, I guess I'll try to clean it, right? So there are a little bit of stains. I think we can kind of clean that out. The inside, right? There's a little bit of stains there, but I actually played around with this bag. And you can actually take the strap out and then it'll open up. This is totally empty. You're gonna need a Rejuvenator or any safe cleaning solution that you're gonna use. Don't use the stiffy brush. Just do a 360 view so you guys can kind of take a look. That is not that bad, to be honest with you. So this is gonna be an extremely difficult job. It's actually the next day. That's actually not a lie. Okay, I'm just gonna sadly use the Angelus. All right, got some water. Don't need to shake this up because I just dropped this. Let's just start dripping, all right? Oh, right, because it's sealed. Oh my God. Oh, got it, okay. All right, here we go. Okay, just, whoo. All right, that's actually too much. This is nice. All right, Miss Customer, I am taking care of your bag. I am going to carefully remove this, the lock here, because I don't want to, cause any extra damages. Unbuckle the strap and just spread it out. Okay, that sounds a little dirty. It's all leather. The inside's all leather. There's a little stain in there. You guys can't see it. Is there any credit cards? Woo! All right. Okay, so let's just test the, see if it's, this is a little too wet. I'm actually not even putting pressure on this right now. Just like cleaning a shoe, right? Cleaning your body. Don't put too much pressure, right? I don't want to scratch the surface. It's not like it's going to scratch. But what we're gonna do is clean the entire bag. You know what? I might as well just detail the inside too. After I'm done, I'm gonna hand detail it. You're gonna see in the final photo, right? So this tutorial is done, believe it or not. I don't even know why I filmed this. Oh, it's actually getting bubbly. I don't know why I filmed this. I just needed to get more views, I guess, right? People are like, hey, this guy's cleaning bags. Sneaker service. He does other things too, right? Ooh, I just shot some suds onto the, oh crap. Hold on. Yeah, like this guy is finally cleaning other stuff. Females accessories, right? All you girls and guys, you're like, wow, this guy gets a lot of female customers. No, I don't, okay? I don't think this will cause me to have more customers come in and be like, hey, can you clean my bag? Because I'm just gonna tell them like, no, I don't clean bags. They're gonna be like, well, I saw your tutorial on YouTube. I'm like, you know what? Oh, the little phone lock, little baggie. Don't forget to clean the little baggie too. I know a lot of people out there like, what the heck is this guy doing? You don't use this kind of method to clean freaking designer bags. Just hand detail it, I'm going to do that. Is that dirt? I hope I'm not scratching the leather. Don't soak the bag too much, just like, you know, shoes. Don't leave it soaking. Make sure you do wipe this dry. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make sure that it is completely dry, and then after that, I'm just gonna hand detail it. All right, I'm not gonna show you guys. All right, clean the inside like this, you know, back and forth motion. All right, so I'm gonna clean the inside. I mentioned that already. Asian pink hair. That is it. I'm gonna pat this dry with my nice clean Kirkland cloth. Look at that. So cute, you know. I actually cleaned the inside and the lock. And by the way, she didn't even peel off the film on the lock. That is so Asian. Respect, mad respect. Okay, by the way, I need to shave. I'm not gonna use this. This brush is too freaking big. Angelus, come on, shake off as much as possible, all right? Sorry. All right, I'm gonna clean the black leather inside. All right. Once I'm done, of course, I'm gonna dry it up and then let it air dry, right? And then have a QC kind of quality check. Kind of looks like for one of those movies, superheroes. You know, what do they call it? I'm not gonna use leather conditioner. Actually, I don't have leather conditioner. I actually asked a guy. He's been in the business for 40 years. And I actually asked him the question, like, hey, for shoes, sneakers, basketball shoes, dress shoes, right? Certain dress shoes. Do you even need to use a leather conditioner, right? After you're done cleaning it? And to be honest with you, he said, no. You don't need to. Actually, it's probably best not to, right? Depending on the leather. For example, like this, once you clean it, right, use a water-based solution, of course, not like crazy chemicals to clean this kind of stuff. Just let it dry, and then that's it. You don't need to put some kind of conditioning product on your shoes. It could actually make it worse. That's what he told me, right? Let me catch my nose breath. So yeah, he knows what he's doing. He actually asked me the question, like, hey, how long have you been doing this? And I'm like, whoa, I don't fix shoes, but just cleaning and stuff, this business thing, just under 2 years, right? He's like, yeah, exactly. So listen to me. I'm a pro, 40 plus years in this. And yeah, just that's a good tippity tip for you guys, okay? Don't listen to Lee about the tip, listen to me. Like, I was always curious, like, hey, there are people out there, it's like, hey, make sure when you're done cleaning leather shoes or whatever, in my case, just sneakers, Nikes, LeBrons, Adidas, you know, like, you don't need to condition it. Just clean it normally, let it air dry, and just good to go, right? And make sure when you're done cleaning the shoes or whatever you're cleaning, do not immediately wear the shoe, because that will degrade the leather. You want to make sure that the skin, whatever material, is fully dry before you do wear it, okay? So that's another tippity tip. Rejuvenator, actually, they do tutorials like when you're done cleaning the suede shoes, make sure you add some mink oil, bring the gnat back, right? All that good stuff. And I was like, I don't have mink oil, and I've been looking for it, right? And I just totally forgot. And when I clean suede shoes, now, I actually don't use mink oil. I just well, depending on the stain, of course, if you can dry brush it off, just do that. But if the shoe needs a little bit of wet cleaning, make sure you don't over soak it. Make sure you properly pat it dry. Bring the gnat back when it's done. Put some suede, renew, whatever rejuvenator suede nubuck product, and then bring the gnat back again, and then just let it completely dry before you wear the shoe. The mink oil, no, like that guy actually said, he told me like, no, mink oil? Hell no. He's not like this, but hell no, do not use mink oil, because that's only recommended for Alaskan boots, Alaska shoes. You know, when people have handmade Alaska suede, sheepskin, I don't know, shoes in the north, they wear it in the north in the cold, they need to use mink oil, because everything is hand stitched, it's handmade, there's no glue, it's not factory made, it's all by hand made, right? I don't know what he's talking about, but I'm looking at Rejuvenator's tutorial and other tutorials like, use mink oil for your suede shoes, your basketball shoes, when you're done cleaning, it's all good. I'm kind of like, is that something that you should do? I don't know, but because he says like, once you do that for regular shoes, and say the shoe has glue behind the suede material, you know, they put it together, they got to use some kind of chemicals, adhesive, it could actually damage it, and the shoe may fall apart. I don't know how that's possible, but he had customers go to him and complain because they didn't listen to him. I just want to bring that out, okay? I'm not gonna, in this case, I'm not gonna even bother using mink oil. I'm just gonna believe what he says. I did some research online, didn't really say much. There are no websites or whatever telling you not to use mink oil for regular basketball shoes that has suede, nubuck, whatever. Just listen to, I guess, yourself. Ask someone if you're not sure. Don't just take my word for it. All right, that is it for my tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the strappy strap, all right? Actually, I just made a knot randomly. I'm gonna put it back. Lee needs this because he needs the himself. Every time I want to just end my tutorial, this is why tutorials are so long. I think this is my hair. I don't know. There's like some kind of weird, yeah, there's the lighting. That is some weird whitish, I hope it's not the leather that's already damaged there, but I'm gonna try to clean it off as best as I can. So Lee's missing out. I know he will enjoy cleaning ladies' stuff.